is Quan and I'm going to show you how to make a two-headed dinosaur dragon. Okay, first, one thing. The two heads are kind of complicated, so I'll show you. First, you need two monster feet like this, and then connect these to the opposite, like a claw. Now put two spikes. Now you just set this up like this. This will be the lower jaw. Okay, now you need four of these, and then you need to make two of this. So this is what it will look like. Okay, put the lower jaw on this ball joint. So it will look like an arm claw, like a very long claw. But actually you have to face it down like this. And then you get one red armor piece with the long cylinder and then you slide it on the top hole. Put the round piece like this that has the hole in the middle. Put it there. Now you get one black armor piece like this. Put one spike as the horn. Then put it on the top spike. Now you get another of this. Then you put it over here. Wait. But make sure it covers up the entire thing inside. If it's like this, yeah, you need to make it like this. Okay, you need to make it like this. But when you put it with this, you need to make it a bit longer. So you need this. So to make it longer, you just push this down, put it back, and then put this back also. Then if you see it's still not like all the way inside, keep pushing it until it's fully all the way inside. Now this is how it looks. Now put the armor piece over here. And then okay, I already got the name for the red head. His name is called Barf. Then make another one and name it Belch. So like Barf and Belch. So make two, but one with the head a bit blue, like this. Now you have two. Just get a Hero Factory body with the kind of like a plus hole peg. If it doesn't have the head connector piece, you can still use it. Now, you should not use this piece yet. You should use this kind. And then you place the neck. Okay, see over here. Put the other one. See, now this is their body. So this is it, like this. Now the legs are pretty simple. It's like the same green monster feet, and the same like this. But don't use the 4 square piece. Use the 8 peg piece like this. Put on both sides. Make another one, and then place it on the leg, on the bottom. Then that's the leg. See, these are the legs. Now I'm gonna make it stand. Put that aside. Now, just get another of this transparent blue, please. Put it on the back. Put that aside. Okay, now there's the tail. The tail, you will need to make it like this. You need to get a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 24 peg piece like this. Get 2. And then you get a 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 peg piece. If you don't have one, just get a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 peg piece, and get the 4 peg piece. Then it will be the same length. See, I couldn't find another one, so I used the orange like this. The 12 peg piece, and the 1 gold 4 square piece. Now you put it on over here. See this extra ball joint over here. Place the tail. So now you have the tail. The arms are the same as the neck. Just do it like this. And also, it's the same as the dragon jaw. So then you make 2. You make 2. And then you place it on the arm. Okay, now this is something very cool. Okay, now first it can transform into a robot. It won't really stand. You just open the dragon's mouth, put the teeth like this. Do the same on the other side. Now just put it like this. So it will actually stand. Then after that, just put the arms like this. Now you just put the legs at the back. Fold the feet like this, and then the head is the tail. So this is how it looks like. The arms are over here, and now it's a robot. See, Bye guys, see you next time. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.